rate limiter. Design a logger system that receives a stream of messages along with their timestamps. Each unique message should only be printed on most every 10 seconds. Meaning a message printed at timestamp T will prevent other identical messages from being printed until timestamp T plus 1. Okay, so it has to be at least after timestamp T plus 1. Okay, all messages will come in chronological order. Several messages may arrive at the same timestamp. Implement the logger class. So this is the logger class. Logger class initializes the log object, the logger object. See that it's in dash 2. Shipping message is method with timestamp and message. So timestamp is an integer message. It is a string. Returns true if the message should be printed in the given timestamp. Otherwise, return false. So here we see this. Input logger. So let's go to the explanation. We have our new logger should print one time for this message. Return is true. Return true. Next allowed timestamp for full is 1 plus 10, which is 11. So now we go to should print message. You put time 2 bar is the message. For bar is next allowed timestamp for bar is 2 plus 10, which is 12, so it has to be at least 12 for bar. For now we go to again, and we have 3 time and full. So we see the full is over here. This next law is a list 10, 11, and this time it says 3, so that's false, which is less than 11. So basically that's the whole point. And here bar again, we see the next law is 12, and we have 8. We're given 8 for the time, and we have to return false. False. Now we have this one for full again. 10 is less than 11, so false again. Full 11. So 10 is. So now we have 11, exactly 11 for full again, and this time returns true because 11 is greater than or equals to 11. So we can solve this. So let's make our dictionary to store message and timestamp. So let's call it. Let's call it messages time stamps. Let's move on to this function here. So let's look. So if the message, so the first instance that we don't have, so if the message is not in if message not in self dot messages, I'll call message time stamps. Let's go ahead and call answer message time stamps and put the message and assign it the timestamp to it. Timestamp return true. So it will be true when the first time we do it. It will be true. As we see over here. So now we're going to do our last printed time for our last printed time for the message. Last printed time stamp. So that will be so that so message time stamp equals to message. So now we're going to do so now we're going to check if the timestamp is if time stamp is if the timestamp of whatever message we put in. So meaning that it's already in it because it does not fall into this case. So if timestamp is greater than or equals to last printed timestamp plus 10 seconds return self dot message time stamp timestamps message is equals to timestamp return true, else if not return false. So that will be for the example in this case. Hold on. Yes, in this case where it's 11 is greater than or equals to the 11 that we already have for foo, and if it does not reach this, like it shows over here, it will be false. And let's run it and see, and it's been accepted. So time complexity of 1, speed complexity of n. So increase in time stamp. So from that, let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases, and it's been able to pass all cases. Let's analyze it. O1 constant and O and for space complex. And that's it for this problem.